To keep the grain consistent, I'll be cutting my laminations from a single timber. I want to end up with a 2-inch wide lamination, so I've milled my piece at a 2¼ inches thick. Putting some lines on the face and end of the piece will make it easier to reassemble the laminations in the correct order. I'll be milling the laminations to final thickness in the planer, so I'm going to set the bandsaw to cut about a 1/16 of an inch over that dimension to account for any discrepancies in the bandsawn cut. The procedure for cutting the lamination starts by taking a slice from my planed and jointed board. Once I've sliced off one lamination, I'm going to take my board back to the joiner to get a fresh edge. I'm using a 1/2 inch, 3 teeth per inch blade to make these cuts. I'll continue this process between the bandsaw and joiner until I have all the laminations I need. At this point, the laminations all have one jointed face and one bandsawn face. To clean up the bandsawn face and mill the laminations to final thickness, I'll be sending them through the planer. It's nice to have a helical head for this, but it's not a requisite. To help support the thin strips, I'm sending them through on a 3/4 inch particle board sled with some sandpaper on the top to help keep the pieces in place. As the pieces get thinner, I find it sometimes helps to keep pressure on the piece by picking up slightly on the sled as it enters and exits the cut.